Good afternoon, everyone. To our faculty members, outgoing and aspiring BITS officers, event organizers, and dear IT students, welcome to our IT General Assembly and BITS officers election for school year 2026-2027. Although I am unable to be physically present with you today due to an equally important official appointment here in Iloilo, I am with you in spirit and sincerely wish to express my full support, no, for this meaningful occasion. I hope to see all of you soon, no, and personally congratulate our newly elected officers. It is a pleasure to know that you have gathered as one community, ready to connect, learn, and help share the future of our organization. Our team, a kickstart to technology, no, connect, learn, and innovate, remind us that technology is not simply about computers, applications, and emerging tools. It is also about building meaningful connections, continuously developing our knowledge, and using innovation to address real needs, no, and create positive change. This General Assembly gives us an opportunity to strengthen our relationships, understand our shared goals, and prepare for activities and responsibilities ahead. As IT students, you belong to a rapidly changing field that requires curiosity, adaptability, collaboration, and lifelong learning. I encourage everyone to participate actively, share ideas, ask questions, and make the most of every opportunity to grow, not only as future IT professionals, but also as responsible leaders, no, and members of the community. Today's BITS officer election is equally important because leadership plays a significant role in success of every student organization. To all the candidates, thank you for courage and willingness to serve. Leadership is not only about receiving a title or holding a position. It is about listening to others, accepting responsibility, working with integrity, and turning plans into meaningful action. Whatever the outcome of the election may be, I hope you will continue to contribute your talents and support the organization's programs. To all the students who will cast their votes, I encourage you to choose wisely and responsibly. Select leaders based on their competence, commitment, integrity, and genuine desire to serve, not merely because of friendship or popularity. Your vote represent your trust and your vision for BITS organization. The individuals you elect will help guide the organization, represent your concerns, and create activities that can enrich your academic and student experience throughout the school year. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our outgoing BITS officers for the time, effort, and leadership you have shared with the organization. Your contribution have helped establish a strong foundation upon which the next group of leaders can build. Thank you for serving your fellow students and for demonstrating that leadership is best measured by the positive difference we make in their lives, in the lives of others. To the faculty advisors, organizing committee, volunteers, and everyone who work behind the scene, thank you for your dedication in preparing this meaningful event. Organizing an assembly and election requires careful planning, coordination, patience, and teamwork. So your effort may not always be visible, but they are sincerely recognized and appreciated. This gathering would not have been possible without your commitment and cooperation. Once you officially begin, may today become a true kickstart toward a more connected, knowledgeable, and innovative IT community. Let us work together, respect one another's idea, and use technology as a means to improve lives and serve society. May this event inspire new friendships, responsible leadership, and creative initiative for school year 2026-2027. Once again, please accept my apologies for not being able to join you personally because of my equally important official appointment here in Iloilo. Nevertheless, I extend my warmest greetings and full support to everyone. May you have a productive, enjoyable, and successful IT General Assembly and Beach Officers election. Thank you and congratulations in advance to our newly elected Beach Officers. Mabuhay and magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Stay safe, everyone.